bucket time!
Oh look! It's the 16th of December! The number 16! But what is in my bucket? Come on, let's find out together! Hooray! Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Come on. Let's all take a look. Fantastic! Oh, look! My bucket has got the number 16 on it today. The number 16. But what could be inside? Should we take a look? In 3, 2, 1. Oh! Today's object begins with the letter C. The letter C. And that makes the K sound. K. Can you make that sound? Wow, brilliant! K. Now they're orange and they grow in the ground. Oh, yes, look, it's a carrot. But this is not any normal carrot. This is a snowman's carrot. A snowman's nose. A carrot nose. But where is the snowman's face? Come on, let's go and make one together. Our carrot is going to need a face. He can't just be a nose. He needs a snowman face. For this, we're going to need a big white circle for the snowman's face. It's going to go right there. Now a circle is one continuous line that goes round and round, round and round. Fantastic! But this snowman can't see anything. He hasn't got any eyes. How about 2 little blueberry eyes? One there and one there. They're very small. How about big juicy tomato eyes? What do you think? They look pretty good, but I think for this snowman, I think we should use some coal. 2 black pieces of coal. One there and one there. Oh, that looks pretty good, but he hasn't got a mouth. Shall we use a Santa beard? A Santa beard on a snowman? He does look very good. Or what about a sweet corn mouth? A sweet corn mouth? He does look very sweet. But for this snowman, I think I'm going to give him a banana mouth. A banana mouth. Big and smiley banana. He needs a hat. What type of hat should we give him? Shall we give him a elf hat? Oh, that does look good. Or maybe a top hat. Oh, very smart. A top hat looks very good. Or how about a woolly hat? A nice warm woolly hat. Yes! I think my snowman's face is done. He's got his hat, eyes, a nose and a mouth. Oh yes, a very happy snowman. Look, today's number is the number... Yes, that's right. It's the number 16. 1 and 6 standing together make the number 16. Oh look, there's some snowman eyes, some pieces of coal. But how How many are there? Shall we count them? Are you ready? Let's put our counting brains on and do some fantastic counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16! 16 pieces of coal. 16 eyes, all looking at us. Fantastic counting, guys. Well done. Wow, our snowman's face was really good. He looked a very happy snowman. But now it's time to put the carrot back in my bucket, all put away and ready for another day. I wonder what's going to be in my bucket tomorrow with me, Sarah Jane, on Bucket Time. I'll see you then. Bye, guys. Bye.
Remember, you're fantastic.